We have to bring our cars in for oil changes on a regular basis, and have our brakes repaired or upgraded routinely, but most of us no idea that our fuel injectors need to be maintained regularly as well. And every vehicle on the road today would benefit from fuel injector cleaning time to time. Why do I need to clean my fuel injectors? Fuel injector components do exactly what they sound like. They inject fuel into the combustion chamber of the engine and get your vehicle ready for action, pumping more or less fuel into your engine, depending on how you operate the gas pedal. So DaTo launched DIGC302 as an advanced injector tester and cleaner, specialized in V8 injectors with wide-range adapters for national and imported car makes, is the ideal equipment for professional mechanics and auto repair stores to perform all-around cleaning and comprehensive tests on injectors and fuel supply system on most main vehicles. Multiple powerful functions. As an advanced electromechanical product, DaTo DIGC302 can clean and test injectors by simulating engine working conditions. Also perform cleaning on the injectors and fuel supply system on vehicle as follows: ultrasonic cleaning, uniformity or sprayability test, leakage test, injecting flow test, and automatic test. Other main features are complete cleaning, automatic cleaning, testing and monitoring, no residue, full range adapters, and user-friendly. For more detail you can contact us on www.datatech.de. Thanks for watching.